NESS is a really awesome program. The kids are very engaged in what they do. In the summer, they do sailing, they do outside activities at the beach, they'll pick up trash, they'll study the sea life. Here in the program, they'll do more of that. They'll study some of the sea life, they'll learn more about science. And NESS workers are very active and they really engage the children. NESS is an activity where the children get the opportunity to learn something that they can see and feel and experience all at once. What they experience, some of them carry it on into their real life. Some of them go out at the beach and they see things differently. So it really impacts the way that they see the sea life and the environment, and it really helps their perspective. When they first get here, they might be a little uncomfortable. It's a new environment. But after a while, they start to get that sense of belonging. And that sense of belonging really impacts them in the long run. They really become a part of a family here, and they get to carry on with those relationships for the rest of their life.
My favorite program in the Red Shield Youth Center is probably go sailing, because you get to be on the ocean and we get to go on boats and swim around. When I first started, maybe 5 or 4 years ago, I was just a little kid that was kind of shy and didn't know how to really speak to anybody. I was just all by myself. But now I've learned how to talk to people and just be myself and be there for others.
This is a great program that you should come to because it's a lot of fun. You get to do a lot of fun stuff. You get to go outside, play basketball, make pages, paint, do games, and all kinds of stuff.
They're exposed to arts, science, and in very different mediums that they can explore here. And hopefully that gives them an idea and empowers them to do what they really want to do. It's very important for these kids to interact with things that aren't just their phones. Today they brought in animals that the kids could observe to make a pitch as if they were in the Shark Tank. A lot of these kids also come from families that immigrated here, so they don't have that social support network that they find here, which I have also found here, and I love this place.
Mi posición principal es siempre recibir los niños cuando llegan de la escuela. Para mí es un placer recibirlo porque sé las diferentes situaciones con las que vienen los niños. A veces vienen tristes porque no lo va bien en la escuela o quizá en su hogar. Y para mí es un placer recibirlo con una sonrisa, diciéndole gracias por venir a escucharme y bienvenido al programa. NESS es un programa muy interactivo porque atrae a los niños y los ayuda a que trabajen en equipo, a que puedan liderar dentro del programa. Es divertido cuando salen porque observan la naturaleza, la ciencia y la tecnología están integradas dentro del edificio y fuera del edificio. Es un programa muy especial. Gracias, NESS.
Thank you, NESS.
Thank you, NESS.
Thank you, NESS.
Thank you, NESS.
Gracias, NESS.
Thank you, NESS.
Gracias, NESS.
Thank you, NESS.
Thank you, NESS.
Thank you, NESS.